Sprinkler valves, you know what I'm talking about. Those things sitting on the side of your house looking net. Yes, we're gonna be building a very simple redwood box to cover those suckers. So do me a solid, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit it. I know you're there and I'm watching you. Come on, get with it. All right, so we're gonna be making this out of common redwood. Here's the old buddy. Check that out. This was the original. We're gonna go a little wider. I think you said a little taller, right?
Yeah, longer.
Longer. And we're gonna make it out of this butte right here. I think that is actually the same material. And we're gonna be putting pressure treated in the corners, which is awesome, similar to what they have here. And they actually did it as stakes. So we'll see how it goes. And I told you. I'm good.
64.5.
We don't believe in squares around here. Oh, I'm lying. There it is.
We don't need that line. Yours. It smells more like cedar than redwood.
At this guy, one of the hardest workers I ever met. And then I look in the mirror.
And 12. I'm only gonna get freaking one out of this.
Alright guys, so I'm behind the scene because I just got off of work. So I'm in my good clothes, so I'm doing no work today. Cut.
Oh, you have to
Uncut.
You gotta cut off 5.
Dude, you're going 12? This is only 11.
So we're gonna have to cut these a little bit.
Second trip to Home Depot, here we come.
We're gonna buzz those down there.
Yeah, we'll buzz these down. That's fine. We'll buzz them down to the width of this. I didn't think about the top. You're right.
Yeah.
I didn't think about the top.
So we don't have to go to Home Depot?
No.
Oh God, can you imagine? One job, we don't have to do it more than one. It would be great. Is it 8 foot exactly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we gotta go a 16 or an 8 inch under. We're gonna go an 8 inch under because why? The thickness of our blade. The thickness of our blade. This is exactly 8 feet and we need 4 pieces. It's way easier to make a cross cut on a cross cut sled for a 12 inch cut because most miter saws don't have that width capacity. Some of those sliders do, but a lot of your standard, I go to Home Depot and get my Ryobi miter saw, don't. So this right here, if you have a table saw, is a quick and easy fix. Also, don't be a dumbass and wear your safety glasses. Are they all match? There you go, baby. Done! We'll probably throw in a brad nail.
Yeah, I got some brad nails.
These will be the screw. I got the brad.
So I got them walking.
You got the wireless?
I got the battery.
Okay, bring it. Hell
That's
yeah.
down here already.
All right.
Are you putting it away?
No, it's right here.
Did you bring the screws? Well, we need bigger nails.
What do you want to put in there?
If you haven't noticed, this guy over here does not like Milwaukee. As you
I
can
do
see.
not. Actually, I'm a damn liar.
He's a liar because he's, look at that. Milwaukee battery. Milwaukee
Yeah.
drill bits.
Yeah.
Milwaukee
Tell him to show you his plunger.
Measuring
Tell him to show you his plunger.
measuring tape.
Dude,
Measuring tape with the
that
tape.
plunger's insane. I swear to God, my neighbor was fishing shit out of his bathroom after we used that plunger. That thing is insane. Absolutely insane.
Oh yeah, they're perfect. We're in. Because I'm not drinking, so I wasn't thinking.
Got it where you want it?
Sir.
That is full. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, dude. At first, I was a little bit like skeptic on how that would look.
What?
The gold on it, it actually looks tight.
It's like a fish hutch. Come on, ladies.
We're getting it. We're getting
Get
it.
with the program, ladies.
Outside?
Outside. Inside.
Okay. I'm just gonna drill and then we'll put her on.
Make sure you line up with my holes that I have originally and the board. Come on, dude. Get with it.
Beautiful.
The walls are badass. It is so dark out here.
Milwaukee's better. Just saying. Somebody's in trouble.
Good job, dude. You're badass.
What? What is he talking about?
I just want to make sure. Look how much thicker that is.
Yeah,
Holy
no shit.
It's like a freaking.
You know what it is? It's not fine. We call that putty and paint.
But in paint makes it what it ain't. You get it, brother. You get it.
Alright. Let's go.
Sorry. I wonder how long that battery would last.
Yeah, this thing?
With that on there?
It's heavy.
Yeah. I know with the freaking blower, it's a good 15 minutes and that's it. But it takes 4 hours to charge. Good one, DeWalt. And there's number one.
Yes, sir. That's the inside for sure.
100%. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna put this toward the bottom.
Sure.
Yeah.
Let's put that one on center. We'll do it.
Okay.
That's real solid.
Beautiful.
Where the did that come from? See what I mean? It's tight.
Well, can't do nothing about it.
That was the one Junior dropped.
Did you drop it?
Was it? I think so, yeah. That is the one.
God dang.
It's alright. Let's go. Come on.
I only said it because it's on camera.
You put screws on it. Fucking put 4 screws on it.
Yeah, exactly. It's 4 screws.
4 screw
Let
it.
me do that one first.
4 screw it.
Salute, Jacob. Well, thank you. Both you fuckers over there, like I'm not even here, right?
Sorry. Bless you.
You're behind the camera. You're not even
God
here.
damn it. See, that's why I was trying to take it slow.
Well, that's why you do it slow.
Somebody didn't pre-drill good enough.
You went too fast.
It must be because, you know, you're pre-drilling, you know, with a big-ass battery or something.
Hold on, Jake.
Well, I'm just gonna pre-drill.
No, let's pre-drill and make a hole
Okay.
where it needs to be.
You're right.
So because we have a crack right there. This is where we get our mason. Paint. You're never gonna tell.
Nope. I think that drill's burning out, actually.
It's the wall.
No, I used it to freaking clean or scrub my shower and get the hard water stains off of it, and I worked it, and I smelled some smoke. So, let's see how much it held.
He loves to watch so much, he takes it in the shower with him. Tongue in your mouth.
Jesus. See?
I know. Why did I do that?
Something. I think one.
I got my drill.
Because you got too big of a battery.
Did you put any pressure on it before you... So this one's gonna kind of suck.
I'm sorry. I'm really happy this is being recorded so you can see all the dumb shit you do.
Papa, remember you're on that side?
Hey, I'm behind the scenes.
Exactly. Get behind there.
When disaster strikes.
Yeah, that was me. God, I keep waiting for it to wind up like a DeWalt, and it's not gonna. Don't look at that, Junior, okay? I got you.
You know.
You're good, sir.
Here, let's flip it.
You wanna flip it?
That's more work. Just move the light.
No.
The way you move a 2-pound light over a 40-pound box.
Okay, Jacob's got it. Jacob's on point.
All right.
He's a supervisor.
Look at that. Stupefizer.
Okay. Ooh. Oh, yeah, baby. You hear that rattle?
We got one side, right?
Yeah, no shit.
Say hi. Hi, Daddy.
Gonna push against you, Junior.
Go ahead. This time I was ready.
Yeah. I noticed it didn't move that time. Actually,
This time I just have my hand on it.
yeah, you didn't expect that.
Okay.
Let's see what we got.
Ooh, yeah. There it is.
Off
3/4 inch.
Yeah.
What the f happened?
It's alright.
No, it's not.
Somebody didn't account for the 3/4 inch on one side.
I'm gonna give it a 1/2 inch.
It's alright. Leave it.
I effed up. And we have to go to Home Depot again.
Don't bug me, bud. I'm gonna go break into Home Depot and.
No, we're not doing
Maybe
it.
breaking this so open.
LA, let's go.
No, we're not going.
He's gotta go home. That's why.
I don't gotta go home, but we're not going out. I'm gonna go spend fucking $26 again.
Just say, hey, I got this damn fence board home and it was already cut. God damn it, dumbass. It never fails.
This guy's not gonna be able to sleep tonight.
I know he's not. It looks good.
It did. Screwed it up.
So that's top. 2.5.
Okay. Now put that block up against the backside.
Just talking about Willis. Oh. Gotcha.
What you talking about? Is it Willis or is it Lewis? What you talking about, Lewis?
Willis.
Is it Willis?
Rapid fire. You hold the trigger and you just bap, bap, bap.
Oh,
he really like that.
Oh, shit.
We're gonna have to go a little more than 2.5 on that side.
3.
Like 2 and 3. 2 and 3.
2 and 3 what?
2 and 3.
2. You keep saying 2. You mean 3/4.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I mean, for us, I would know. That's what I mean.
Yes.
I didn't know.
Shit, you're full of shit.
No! What is that horse shit?
You have it on camera? Did you watch it?
I will be sure
Get
to
that goddamn square right now and show it on camera.
See?
Next side.
next side.
Other side.
Bitches!
See?
He's he's triple checking for the audience. He's triple checking for the audience.
I'll give it to him.
Super snug fit.
This one's not.
Hell no. Oh my god, it's an 1/8 of an inch over.
Right?
Let's try it again, shall we?
Oh yeah. That's nice. That's pretty.
That's pretty.
That's pretty.
Pretty good enough.
I like it.
It looks like a bench.
It does. Sit with me, Jacob. Hold my hand. All in a day's work, boys. We are done.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Hit the like. Hit the like. Thank
Hit the like. Hit the like. What's up? What's up?
Not the best box, but it's a box.
Jesus, it's the best box. It is the best box. Made in the middle of the night. Yo, let's go. Yo, welcome to Putty and Paint. Today we're gonna be replacing nothing. Why do I keep saying replacing? It's like as if I got a bunch of broken shit at my house. Hit the likes button. God damn it. Hit it.